and welcome back to my channel. My name is Annabelle, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, all of social media. One day we're gonna find something else to say, but welcome back to my channel, you lovely people, lovely planners. Whatever it is that you do and whatever the reason is that you follow me, thank you so much. Like, from the bottom of my heart, like, it truly means the world to me. And today we're gonna be doing something fun. At least I think it's fun and I'm excited for it. But today is the 31st. My plan, and I hope that I can, is to upload this today. So we'll see how well that goes, but I'm gonna do my best and I'm excited because I wanted today to be like the last day of self-care, like a last self-care day of 2022, to just get like walk into 2023 just like ready with like a good mindset, everything clean, like me feeling good about myself. I just feel like it's a good way to start 2023 and I'm excited. So I did want to start off by saying I did do a little bit of self-care yesterday. At least to me, I consider this self-care. I did prep my planners for 2023, so I did set some goals, which I posted that video already for you all, and I also changed my planner cover. So this is my Erin Condren planner, which I use the is it called the companion planner? I believe that's what it's called. Productivity planner. Maybe it's the productivity planner. Productivity planner. And it came with this cover with like fireworks and the year 2023 on it. Oh no, there's a balloon outside. Weird. But I changed my planner cover. I feel like it was just like a really good little thing to do for my planner to just get it prepped and ready for 2023. And then my Hobonichi weeks, I bought a little something for right here. I'm not going to switch it out. I'm like, it's like a little imperfection. Like, what's the point? And I'd have to wait. So I mean, regardless, I have to wait, I guess, right? I bought an Ollie clip. It's a heart one, and I bought that yesterday. So I'm like, it's just gonna make me happy to like see it and everything. But this is my little wallet that holds my Hobonichi weeks. I already shared that video. I will go ahead and link it down below if you wanna watch it. But I also prepped my planner for 2023. So I made a little cover for it that says 2023 with like a little disco ball. And then I also made a little vision board, which I will share a little clip of that right now. And I also made a little like collage of all the people that I love, like my family, friends, and my niece and nephew, like everybody that just makes my life happy. So I did that for my Hobonichi weeks, and then I also did like just a couple of things in there which I'll share later on. But today is like self-care as far as like my image goes. I struggle with depression. It's something that I've always been very transparent about. I struggle with clinical depression, bipolar disorder, which causes the clinical depression, and it's like a never-ending thing. And with that, like, I struggle a lot with my body image, and that's something that I want to work on for the year of 2023. So I figured it would be a good idea to end 2022 on a good note. Maybe I didn't work on that as much as I wish I could have in 2022, but I want to end it on the right note. And with that is like taking care of myself. So I plan on like plucking my eyebrows because I haven't done that in a while. What did I do with my tweezers? They're right here. But like plucking my eyebrows, normally I would have gone to go get them done, which is usually what I do, but with like the holidays and everything, I haven't done that. So I'm like, you know, I have tweezers, just do them, just stop being lazy, just clean them up a little bit, it's no big deal. And then I also want to do my nails. So I've shared with you all in the past, I actually have all the stuff that I need to do my own nails. This is a little UV lamp from, if it'll focus, because I have the window open so it's like super bright, but this is a UV lamp from Nail Reserve. And then I have a ton of colors that I can use also from Nail Reserve. So I am gonna give these a try. I'm gonna pick out a color that just makes me feel happy and excited. Right now I have also from Nail Reserve, it's just these nails. They're like a nude color with like red and white, and they're super cute, but some of them have chipped just because I've been crafting a lot, which is good, but I want to just get myself ready for 2023, and with that includes my nails. So let's go ahead and get started. I have my water here. I'm gonna add a little lip mask from Laneige to kind of just get myself ready, get myself on like the right mindset. And it's perfect because today we have my parents and Matthew's parents and sister coming over to celebrate the new year arriving, and I'm excited to have everybody over, and then we'll do a couple more things after I do my nails. That's just the start. And my eyebrows, because that just needs to happen at this point. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm watching Emily Grace on YouTube just to like get myself on the right mindset and to have something playing on the background so I'm not bored. And then I also planned on watching some YouTube videos, but this is what I have on right now. Alright, so eyebrows are done. They're not the greatest because I didn't go get them done, so I mean they kind of work. It is what it is. Like, I prefer just getting my eyebrows done professionally because it's easier. I don't have to do it, and they do such a good job, and I feel like it actually removes every single little like hair around it, which like actually does bother me a little bit. But now I'm gonna go ahead and do my nails. It's like my eyebrows are good enough, it's fine. And my nails, I'm excited because I can pick out a color. Let me show you what I'm doing. Okay, so I have a little like a towel that I use that I buy specifically for this, because I need to remove all of the gel. Let me turn on this light, see if it makes a difference. Because I need to remove all of this gel that I have on here. I'm watching Plan Your Truth in the background, but I need to remove all this gel, and to do that I need to like, with a nail file, I need to remove the clear polish, and then we need to pick out a color. So I have all of these nail polishes in here. These are gel polishes, and they're from Nail Reserve. Like, I have this really cute pink one. Let me see, I also use acetone to remove the polish, but I was thinking like there's this baby blue here. I feel like that would represent kind of like a new year. I also have this, it's called Mythical. It's kind of like a white. I'm thinking this would be really cute. So maybe something like that. I also have the base and the top coat. So I'll take that out now. I also take out this is nail oil, like cuticle oil. Let's see, this is like a purplish tone. I don't know, maybe I'll take these out. And I also have this like glitter color. So maybe like the glitter color could be pretty cool. Okay, let me see what colors I like, because I think I definitely want to go with something like this. It's like light, it's not too dark. It's pretty white, so something like that would be pretty cool. So this is the one that kind of has like a purple tone to it, purple tint. And then this is the one that, yeah, this is kind of like a pure white almost. I think I'm going to use the other one. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the polish from my nails and get started. So let's go ahead and go. Alright guys, so I'm watching now TK on YouTube. I removed my polish, so my nails look hella ugly, and now I'm going to go ahead and apply the base coat. But before I do that, I do need to plug in my little lamp that I got from Nail Reserve. It's so cute. It's so small, honestly, but it's like, it's a little power tool. Okay, so I need to just plug in my little lamp from Nail Reserve. And I just used this little, it came with the little plug-in thing, but I just used my own because it's longer. Because sometimes like I want to do my nails on my desk, or sometimes I want to do them like, why isn't it plugging in? On the table, like the dining room table or something. And I've also had a friend come over so I could do her nails, which was so much fun. I really did love it. And it was just really nice to have a long cord to be able to do that downstairs. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is what one hand looks like, and I haven't put oil or cleaned up the edges, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the other hand, and it looks so cute. All right, you guys, so if you hear noises, I'm in the restroom, and this is my guest restroom, and this is the restroom that has a tub in it. So I wanted, as part of self-care, take a bath, and now that my nails are done, I think they look amazing. They look so cute. Like, it's like a soft white with some glitter. They look adorable. Thank you again to Nail Reserve for sending me all of those colors. I'm so excited. And I can't wait to use all the other ones, but these are perfect for New Year's. But I'm gonna go ahead and take a bath. I have a ton of bath bombs that I would like to use. I have some from, what is it called? What is it called? Lush. I have some from Lush that I bought a little bit ago. They're like bubble bath. And then I also have some from, let me see, from The Balm. I get these from Target and they're so good. I love them because they have like a little surprise inside. And it's just so exciting to like pop it in there, and you get to, oh no, this is like, what? Weird. But you pop it in there and you get to reveal a surprise, and it's pretty exciting. But I have some stuff from Lush in here, and it looks like, yeah, I did get moistened up a little bit, but it's okay. I wonder where it got wet from. That's weird. But it's like this little peach, and you actually don't have to use the entire thing because it's you can actually cut it into pieces. So that's pretty cool because they're pretty pricey there, and they can get a little pricey there. So it's good to have a little, like a big one, and then use parts of it, and you get to have multiple baths out of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a bath, fill the bathtub with some water, and just have a relaxing time before the year ends and before 2023 starts. Okay, so I went ahead and took a shower, cleaned up, bath, ready, everything's done. And I'm just gonna wait for my hair to dry so I can style it and probably put on a little bit of makeup just to feel like better about myself. We'll see what happens. Eating good counts as self-care. I'm so excited. This is like leftovers chipotle that Matthew put a ton of cheese on, and I am so excited. I'm gonna use it as a dip with, well, I'm gonna eat it, not use it. I'm gonna eat it as a dip with some tortilla chips. Hey you guys, so I've already completed like my self-care time, did my nails, took a little bath, took a shower, my hair dried up. I haven't done it. I don't know if I'm gonna do it today, but I wanted to do my makeup. So I got literally all of my makeup out here, and I'm really excited to show you all the finished result. I am gonna go ahead and post a separate video of my actual steps that I take, because I can go more in depth of how I do everything. But for the sake of this video and just like my focus on just self-care, I'm not gonna go through every single step on here. But I'm really excited to get started and cue the fast-paced videos of me doing my makeup, or at least trying to. end this here. I hope you enjoyed this like last day of self-care of 2022 with me. I'm ready for 2023. I can't wait to celebrate with everyone. My parents are coming over, and so are Matthew's family, and I'm really excited just to hang out. Can't wait for the new year. Can't wait to get everything started, to get my plan set up, to talk to y'all more, to set up those, I already set up those goals, but to accomplish those goals and work towards those goals. But I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all next time. Bye.